It's known as the Australian Battle Group Personal Area Network. In the most simplistic terms, it is high-tech laser tag. But the information that these systems can relay in real time back to battlefield commanders is anything but child's play.
They can see what the troops are doing on the ground, be it tactically or administratively, and the OT on the ground can send back messages to the Exercise Control Centre asking for a snapshot of that particular event, and it will show all of those troops being relayed back where they are exactly in time and space.
For the individual soldier, the equipment will indicate directly to them if they've been hit by enemy fire, where they've been wounded, and the seriousness of the injury.
You connected the battery?
Yep, the battery's connected.
All right.
Here, troops from Blue Force, which represents the ADF, are calibrating their weapons to ensure the lasers are accurate.
The guys are really picking up quickly. You know, it's a leap ahead of the last generation. It's a modular system. It talks via Bluetooth. The modules are not wired together, so it's an individual module that can be clipped on to the user's preference.
The simulation doesn't end with the men on the ground. All armoured vehicles taking part in Exercise Hamel 2012 have also been fitted with sensors, and the package can extend to include simulated air and artillery strikes.